हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियोस में हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ ईथरनेट केबल्स एंड हाउ टू क्रिम द ईथरनेट केबल्स यूजिंग क्रिम्पिंग टूल्स, एंड दिस विल बी टोटल DIY, डू इट योरसेल्फ। Tools which we'll be using in this video is the crimping tools. You can see this is used to crimp the RJ45 cable and the Cat6E cable and some RJ45 connectors. Okay, let's take some theory part. So as I said, the types of Ethernet cables, like the Ethernet cables can be wired as a straight through cable and the crossover cable. What is straight through cable and the crossover cable? So basically straight through cable, as the wiring end on both the end of the cable is same, and the crossover cable, the wiring end on both the end is different. So there are two type of wiring standard used in Ethernet cable. One is T658A and other is T658B. So the T658B is the most commonly used as a wiring standard currently in the Ethernet patch cables. So the straight through cable are used to connect the unlike devices like switch to router, router to PC and hub to PC, whereas the crossover cables are used to connect alike devices like router to router, switch to switch, PC to PC, laptop to laptop, etc.
So this is the crimping tool which you can easily get from the Amazon, and I'm using the scissor to cut the wires inside, and this is the RJ45 connectors. So in this video I will be using Cat6E cable. So you can see on this cable itself is Cat6E is label. You can easily get this cable from the market. You can get up to 10 rupees per meter. So we will crimp this cable on both the end using RJ45 connectors, which is here. So first we have to cut this wire, organize all the wiring standard according to T658B standard on both the end, which will be as a straight through cables, and then we will connect this cable and see what speed do you get on our network. So the cable is properly organized as white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. So we'll cut this part from here, okay, and then we will get the RJ45 connector, and you have to place like this, and then you have to insert all the cable here and make sure all the cable went properly. So now it's properly insert. You have to bend like this, and then you have to use this crimping tool. All you need to do is we go ahead and cut this outer cable first, and then I will insert the so you can see the crimping is done. Similarly, we have to crimp on this end also using the same crimping tool method. You have to cut, remove the outer cover first, remove the plastic, and organize all four pairs according to T658 standards, and cut the unwanted part like this thread and this plastic, and then we will organize all the cable according to the T658 wiring standard, and then we will connect it to the LAN cable. Similarly, I have also organized the cable according to the T658B on the other end also, white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. So I will cut from here. I will cut this, and then I will connect to the connector and crimp it. and I will cut the remaining part with the scissor, and then I'll use this crimping tool. You will see the noise when it's crimped. Okay, it's properly crimped. You can see the color standard: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So the cable is properly crimped on both the ends. You can see it is properly crimped, and now this cable is useful for the LAN Ethernet connection. So I have connected the patch cable to the Flex Mini switch. As you can see, the port 3, and it is connected to the Dell Docker station. So we can check the LAN speed of that cable connection.
So now we can run the speed tests on that devices which is connected directly to the switch port 3. So we can run the speed test of that LAN cable. So it should be getting up to the speed of the ISP. So yeah, that's it. You're getting up to speed. So my speed connection speed is 200 Mbps download and upload. So I'm getting up to 199 Mbps on download and upload. So the cable is working good because the cable connection in crimping is done good. So that's how you can determine your speed test and see the cable is properly crimped or not. In this video, we have seen the crimping of the Cat6E cable on your own totally using the crimping tools, the Ethernet crimping tools, using the RJ45 connector. So we have seen overall video how to cut the cable, how to organize according to the wiring standard, T658, the color code which I have mentioned in the video. So this is a straight through cable, which means the wiring on both the end is same, and you can connect this cable to router, to switch, your laptop to the switch, and from your router directly to your laptop. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video. Please comment down, like, subscribe to my channel. Bye.